Okay. Here we are. Oh, there's a dog park. Alright. You guys ready? Glenn, you want to go down with Daddy? Yeah.
I can't go which way. This way?
Yeah, that way. But you want to ride with Daddy first, or you want to go by yourself?
I want to ride with you.
Okay, ready? There you go. Whoa! You okay? Let's go. Was that fun? Was that fun? Yeah, it's pretty slippery. Careful coming up. I think Nicholas is, I don't know what Nicholas is doing. Did you have fun? Oh boy. You're almost there. Yeah, be careful. Hold on. Yeah, when you walk back up, try to walk a different way, because this has all been sled on. Hold on, Daddy's coming. Stay right there. Don't move. Stay right here. Stop. Stay here. Okay. Now slide back up. Yeah, take it. Try to go up the other path. Whoa.
I told you it's slippery.
Yeah, it is slippery. Oh, look, E's got a new camera. Is it working?
No way.
Oh, good. Yeah, next time try to come up that way. So, alright. You ready? You want to go with Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try this one. No? Sit on Daddy. Here, sit in front of Daddy. Sit in front of Daddy.
Dad, let's go to this side. I can't snort over there. I don't slip down.
Alright. Here we go.
Dad, the car!
Hold on, I gotta get my feet up.
It's
Here we
Again?
We went backwards. Because Daddy weighs more. Hold on. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Let's go up the side, okay? Hold on, we dropped something. I don't know what. I think it's a sticker off the slide. Yeah. Alright, let's go this way. Oh, careful, Nicholas is coming. Don't let him knock you down. There he goes. Okay, here comes the E.
Hey, Nicholas,